y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
And we have returned.
Back for some love. Maybe. I don't like the name of it.
Oh, yes. Well, listen, we're staying true to the Scotch with our first Scotch cocktail called Bobby Burns.
Who's Bobby and why is he burning?
Why is he burning? That in itself is a whole story, and we don't know what the story is.
Burn, baby, burn. Disco, burn out. Yeah, something like that.
Okay. But we're gonna go ahead and make this drink, and
I hope I won't contact anything after this.
Yeah, I don't know. But let's run through the ingredients, and then let's see. Let's make it. Let's see what it do.
Have my gynecologist on speed dial.
Ooh, child. Be like, it was Bobby, girl. All right, so. Oh Lord. Yeah, we gonna have to go ahead and ask Sexy Red who Bobby Burns was. She probably know.
I probably do, cause
I
think she got burned, right? Nonetheless, let's go.
You know what? That's her business.
Bow, bow, bow.
All right, friends. This is what you need to make Bobby Burns, okay? You need a Scotch whiskey of your choosing. We are gonna tackle the Macallan right here, 12 year. You need a sweet vermouth, and you need Benedictine, okay? You need your shaker with ice. You need your measuring tool, and you need your little stir. Okay, so we're gonna stir this, not shake it. You can start with the Macallan since it's on your side. 1 ounce of the Macallan.
Got a new shaker. I know the measurements. New year, new me.
The shaker is cute, girl. I ain't gonna lie. I might have to get, what other colors they have? They have a blue one,
They got a blue one and some other ones, but this one's fitting since we're doing Bobby Burns.
1 ounce of our sweet vermouth.
1 ounce. My drinks might be accurate today. Hey. I'm gonna need it because this Scotch whiskey is
I ain't gonna hold you. I'm a little buzzed from that tasting.
Ooh, child.
And we are gonna do 1/2 ounce of the Benedictine.
Benedictine.
I do think you should definitely keep you a bottle of the Benedictine in your house.
What is it, 1?
1/2. And go ahead and stir. Stir until chilled. Normally I would chill these glasses, but what had happened was...
YOLO.
Oh, shuckleberries. Hold up real quick, because we got to make this real cute. And I actually went through the trouble of getting lemon peels or doing that. I'll be back.
Oh, she's back.
So you was entertaining the folks?
Yeah, I was trying to give them a little swaggle daggle.
All right.
A lemon peel. Do we gotta like twist it like?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Express the lemon peel.
Wait, what does that do say?
Do you like that?
Do you like that?
Hey, yo. Was not ready. Well, here we go.
It smells good on my nose.
Bobby Burns.
Okay, Bobby got burned from somebody else because this is not it. Okay, Bobby was good by himself. Okay, I don't know who he got exposed to, but go ahead. I'll let you go first.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Ooh, chill.
I'm not gonna lie, this is delicious.
Yeah, I was a little scared.
I was scared because the name Bobby Burns is really like, why he burning? But it's very flavorful. It reminds me a little bit of a Manhattan, okay? It's got a little bit of Manhattan vibes, but obviously the base liquor is Scotch whiskey here. And the Benedictine, so you have that paired with the sweet vermouth. It's really good, guys. Like, I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a 9.5. I just feel like because it's the first cocktail, I have to like trim some off, but like really, I would probably make it a 10. But like I would say 9.5 to 10. I like it. I mean, it's right up my alley in terms of like the cocktails I like the best. And it's super easy. It's 3 ingredients. Like,
Right.
how
Can't
can
go
you
wrong with that.
go wrong? Yeah, you can't. Yeah, I have very few complaints about Bobby Burnin.
Well, we're in alignment. I'm gonna rate this a 9. I do sometimes like my drinks stronger. I feel like the Manhattan will be on the stronger side. But this is awesome. Like, this is giving me Manhattan vibes. It's on the lighter side. So I'm gonna give this a solid 9 across the board. And then you twist that lemon peel.
Yeah.
It gives that aroma right off the nose before you even taste it. And it's a wonderful experience for sure. So Bobby, you can burn without me, but in my mouth, but not burning. I'm trying to do the correlation here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
But Bobby, you're tasting really good. Wait.
Oh my God.
All right. On that note,
So Bobby tastes good.
okay. Without,
All right, girl.
I mean, if this isn't burning, yes, he does taste good, unfortunately. I don't want it physically, Bobby. All right, I'm done. This is getting weird.
It's too late. I have to go back in the history of this because what's funny is this was, I believe, this recipe goes back from like 1902.
Ooh, Chad. Talk about late.
So it was initially, hold on, this is the first available source for it dates back in a 1902 bar book, Bishop and Babcock, that's already dead, Company's Fancy Drinks. Though in the book, the recipe is referred to as baby burns.
And then
And
Bobby
calls
got
for
older.
a teaspoon each of vermouth and Benedictine, as well as pony. What the hell is pony?
It's getting a little weird. It's a little freaky.
But then basically the name by the 1930s transitioned to Bobby Burns.
Okay. Because
And
Bobby
it's-
added more to it.
I don't know. They said, while there is always going to be some debate as to the meaning of the name, it's likely an homage to the famed Robert Burns, widely considered the national poet of Scotland. Okay, because you know I was finna be like, who that?
Well, at least I know the Burns part is not somebody literally burning. It's literally somebody's last name. So, Robert, Bobby, you can come anytime.
What? Oh, interestingly enough, it also says this cocktail itself is similar to a Rob Roy, named for another famous Scot.
I can see that.
Yeah.
I can see that. Because the Rob Roy is,
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we did that was it last year or the year before?
ooh, child.
Ooh.
Don't get me lying.
We
Between
did
the Scotch and the years and we getting older, I can't don't.
We did the Rob Roy drink at some point. That might have been when we was still shooting in my kitchen, child.
Trying to figure out who's Rob, who's Roy, or they
Yeah,
both one and the same
we was
person.
like, what's going on with that? Yeah,
But
because
nonetheless, it was delicious. It was good.
it was good.
was
And so, yeah, so like that's just a little tidbit there. A little bit of history. So basically, the summary is nobody really knows where this came from, but there are some guesses about where the recipe came from and who it was inspired by. So, all right, cool. More importantly, would you try this? Okay,
You
We wanna
should
know.
try this. This is a recommendation.
I definitely think you need to try this. For one, it's 3 ingredients that are very easy to find.
Facts.
Unlike, there was one recipe did that had the green chartreuse in it, and I know we had like a time trying to find that because they don't make that many bottles of the green chartreuse. But this is 3 ingredients that you can find. And oh my God.
I thought about Step Brothers for a second. Sorry. my bad.
Okay. And so, and then you get to use the Scotch whiskey of your choice, right? So like whatever you're drinking.
Right.
So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and ring my bell. Ring my bell. And more importantly, go ahead and make you one of these. And go ahead and tell us thank you under the comment section because we told you it's fabulous, okay? What other Scotch-based drinks are you sipping on, okay? We love to drink Scotch straight, but who doesn't like a cocktail? Okay?
Right. And we got some more coming for you.
We do. And so we'll be back.
After these messages.
Yep, we're gonna drink this right now. Bye.